Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love tissues but hate looking at ugly old tissue boxes, you're gonna love this tissue holder.
HASPINH has made the cutest retro radio shaped tissue box cover. I am so in love with this little guy. It is so cute and easy to put together. You just put its little feet on, snap it together, and you have the cutest tissue box of all time. It is so easy to refill. I just placed my whole box of tissues right inside and they just pop right out like it's a regular old tissue box, but it's just the cutest little radio. I really, really love it. Everyone I've shown it to has also fallen in love with it, asked me where I got it, and they just get such a giggle out of it. I think it's the perfect accessory for any room where you need to have your tissues, but you want it to look super cute. And it would make such a good gift for anyone.
I am so completely in love with this little tissue holder. I think it is the cutest thing ever, and you definitely need one. And that's my point of view.